Hello, welcome to the Productronica 2023 here at Ersa. We present here our reflow system. It's called the HOTFLOW. We have the HOTFLOW 1 and the HOTFLOW 3. In the background we have the HOTFLOW 3. So we have here also the connectivity, so the Ersa connectivity included with all the data transfer from all the production information into the MES system, as well as locally stored, which can be here connected. Also, the services are directly connected to our machine, that we have also directly access to it when it is allowed from the customer. So we have here also the HOTFLOW 3. We are also looking forward to save energy, which is very important. And so we was looking that we reduce the energy. We also reduce the nitrogen consumption. How we did that? We have here a new innovation of our motor system. It's called the Smart Convection Power Unit. So this is a one-piece development with motor, fan, heater, and the gas flow inside the reflow system. We split this reflow system in 3 parts for the cleaning system. Here we have on the preheating zone or the soak zone called our smart element system, where we take already out the residues of the processed gas which is coming in by the products. After that, we are here in the red area where we have the peak zone or the soldering area. Here we integrated our smart pyrolysis cleaner, which is also taking out the residues out of the processed gas directly. And after that, we're coming into the cooling section, the blue area, and here we have our smart condensation unit, where we have 3 steps, where we have the pre-cooling, filtering, and then the active cooling. With this system, we can achieve here a much higher performance from the electrical transfer into the heat transfer to your product. If you want to have here more information, please do not hesitate to contact us. Please visit our website and contact our sales guys. Thank you very much.